Okay, we're going to show you how Kyla Jane does some crawling. Go get it, Kyla. Can you go get it? Can you go get it? Go crawl to the bucket. Crawl to the bucket. Go see your mom. Go see your mom. Good girl. Good girl. Yay! Oh, she says, I'm taking a left turn. She says, I'm going to keep going. What the heck? Huh? What the heck? Yeah. She says, I'm going. She says, I'm a little tipsy still, but she says, I am getting better. Oh, watch out. There's a chair there. Good job. Come back. Come back. Yay! That's a good girl. Can we see you come back this way now, Kyla?
Want to go back and see Dad?
Yeah. Come over here. Yeah. Come over here. Good girl. Good girl. Kyla Jane, can you smile? Yay!